Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of GMS Racing. On this episode, we're gonna be going over and building the exhaust on the Gallardo. We did a full titanium exhaust along with some powder coat. We got a little bit of late start on this intro, so I'll give you guys a little sneak peek before we jump into the video. Also, we're gonna be showing you a few things we've done in the Audi R8. But meanwhile, I'll give you guys a sneak peek.
What up, John?
What up?
We are getting ready to polish the Gallardo exhaust. I think it turned out pretty nice. I like it.
Oh yeah, it looks real sweet.
Hopefully I can get everything polished today. And then maybe tomorrow or Friday we'll start burning it, get some color in it, and then weld it up. But I'm pretty happy with how it turned out so far. At least the X-pipe was already polished. I knew that would be a big pain in the ass if I tried to polish it after tacking it. But the rest turned out pretty good. Curious, let's see our fitment on here. This thing fits like a glove in between these turbos. It's almost hard to get it in.
Nice and tight. Yeah, that easy though.
There it is. Yeah, stoked on that.
That pink, man.
I know, it's crazy. It'll be cool when we get some color in the exhaust.
You thinking about center exit on the wastegates?
Yeah, we're thinking about turning the wastegates. Instead of tying them into the exhaust, we want to do something fun. Flip them 180 degrees and bring them out of the top of the bumper. I'm all for it.
Yeah.
That'd be sick.
Skylar's wife driving around with center exit wastegates.
Shooting fire.
Shooting fire, bumperless for a little while.
If she's even driving this car. I don't think we proved that theory yet.
Well,
I think Skylar wants it pink.
yeah, Skylar wants it pink. Skylar, is this you, Skylar? Looks
But yeah,
nice.
it turned out nice. Now it's for the hard work. Polishing and welding the whole thing. This is the easy part.
All right, we'll show you guys a montage of all that. So for right now, kick back. So far, so good?
So far, so good. Got a lot of oil to burn out, though. Might take it kind of like,
What?
we'll just go do a loop in the fields or something.
Okay.
Alright guys, so you won't see it on this episode, the Gallardo being done. Some things got delayed, you know how it is, but you will in the next video. We'll have it all completely blued, the bumper back on, and do some videos of it completely finished. And Skylar's gonna take it and so he can join his new Huracan he got. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We have plenty of merch on our website, so make sure you check it out. We got hats, shirts, tank tops, everything you can think of. So check it out, and we'll catch you later. Peace.